8 feet.
Look what I just got. A little something from McMahon. And it might just be for my buddy Rob. Alright, so this thing just showed up. As I promised, we were gonna put this alternator in Rob's truck. Just as I'm getting ready to open this thing up, look who shows up. What up? Hey man, do you wanna open this thing up yourself and take a look at it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Alright, cool. Well, we're gonna go get the steak knife. You gotta use the steak knife to open this shit up. There you go. It's traditional, man. This is how we open boxes here in the shop.
There you go.
We're about ready to put your new alternator in. You got to do the unboxing yourself since you showed up at the right time. But overall, how's everything been?
Great. Everywhere I go, everybody's like, that shit sounds awesome. And then my rearview mirror just vibrated off and hit me in my knee. So
You already lost your rearview mirror?
Yeah, it's gone. It's in there somewhere.
And Rob's already got the rearview mirror blues. Hey, welcome to the club. When you lose your mirror, you know you're bumping.
Yeah.
Shit, look what else.
And my crack's getting bigger.
Got a little crack in the windshield. Now don't get me wrong, I know this system really isn't loud enough to break the windshield, but this windshield wasn't broken when he left. So, and 10 minutes after he left here, he called and said his windshield's cracked. So maybe it just couldn't take it, I don't know. But cracked windshield, mirror's gone, good times. Well, let's go open up this alternator and see what we got. What we're working with. Pop that open. Of course, we got the excess power battery. We got all the McMahon zero gauge wiring on this alternator. It looked like it might have came from the wrecking yard at some point. It's got writing on it. So I'm not sure how many amps this stock one is. Probably under 100. Probably 65, 70. So he's telling me that his headlights ain't really even dimming right now. They used to dim, but they don't anymore. So that's a good sign that the wiring is right. But without a voltmeter in the car, we really don't know. So I say we slap an SMD VM1 in here, play a couple test tones, and see how bad it was suffering. Then we'll put the new alternator in and see if it's any better. Regardless, it's better because it never hurts to go up in average. Let's open this bitch up though. Let's see what you got. Yeah.
It's like Christmas, man. You need to sharpen your steak knife, bro.
Oh yeah, my steak knife rules, man. Ginsu.
They make sharpeners now. There we go.
You just ain't got the skills, the Ginsu box opening skills.
There we go.
Just go turn that upside down and pop it out of there. So what do we got here? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Look at that.
That's clean.
Should tell you how many amps that thing is right on the orange tag.
Made in the USA.
Made in USA, McMahon.
So we got 147.
147 at idle. 245 once you get up past 1800 RPM driving. So 147 at idle is really good. That means just sitting at the stoplight with your foot off the gas or anything. Good shit, man. I'm making this thing on the fly, super fast. I even stopped the project that was on the table to do this because I think I can do it pretty good. We're gonna find out though how it comes out. You don't even know what it is yet. It's gonna be cool.
I have no idea.
It's gonna be cool, watch. Need something to pop this off with. Let's go see if this thing fits. That'll be cool if it does. All right, so let's see if this thing fits in here.
You are a
Hey,
genius.
look at that. You like that, huh? Pop you in a voltmeter and an OM1.
Hell yeah.
Be good to go. Love it. Oh,
You are the man,
I'm
Steve.
jealous, dude. I'm jealous. Let's do it.
I'm grateful, bro. Thank you.
All right, Rob. We're going to go ahead and grab one of these and one of these.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
That's all right. Fuck it.
Oh, they're off.
There you go. Here, little VM1, OM1.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
So we're going to take these guts out and we're going to put them into that plastic piece.
Awesome.
Boom. Positive. Use green for the signal sense for the OM1. Watch this. Yeah. Ready for this, Rob?
I'm so ready.
What you know about that?
I love it, bro. I love that shit.
Wait till we light it up. Badass.
That's gonna be awesome at nighttime, bro. Thank you.
Yeah,
man.
it is.
Oh yeah. There it is.
Like that. There it is. All right, Rob just got called into work. We're getting ready to put his alternator in. Of course, I had to stop what I was doing because I want to put a voltmeter and an output meter in here so we could do the alternator test. I want to be able to show you guys the before and after results. Not only the squeaking is going to stop, but he should have much stronger electrical. It's really not doing too bad the way it is, but never hurts to upgrade to that big fat 240 amp alternator. So Rob's got to get out of here. I'm going to do another video next Saturday when he has a little bit of time. He actually is supposed to be at work right now. So we're gonna get him out of here. I'm gonna show you what this voltmeter and this OM1 look like so I can finish this video up. Looks pretty good. And we'll show you the results of that new MechMan alternator as soon as it's in. So hold on. Oh, that's so nice, Rob.
That does look good. I mean, that looks awesome. It doesn't get much better than that, folks.
Turn your key, man. Check out what this shit looks like.
There it is.
There it is, charging strong too. 14.0.
Awesome.
Got glare in here. Not your fault.
Baby try to find me a floor a little cheaper. Don't want to do no ride around town. Work out a little bit, drop a few pounds, count a few checks, a little mouth, shoot a little dice, go a little loud, set a little power, look at them in his mouth. Back in the day, see, I wouldn't be shit. Tell them fuck niggas, nigga, look at me now. Running on my dick, they bustin' they dicks. Don't make no sense, we just laugh at them clowns. Go to the club, everybody like wow.
Yeah. Welcome to the club, Rob. Welcome to the club.
Oh, okay.
Running like AP. Running like AP. All day, all day. Running like AP. All day, all day, all day. Yeah. They hear me, can't see me, they hate me. These niggas is crazy. We talking juice and I'm Quincy no race. How do you get so you not know what they play? You gon' need them pay. Who's interested, man? We don't understand, check yourself. You can't tell what I'm saying. Can't help you help if you busy complaining. More money at the finish line. On me, you try and get it. Homies riding with it cause the city has.
All right, so Saturday we're gonna put this thing in for sure. We'll do some before and after testing. And as you can see, look at the difference.
Oh yeah. There you go, man.
Yeah, one B and one good to go. Alright man, get the fuck out of here. I know you gotta go to work. Later, Rob. Oh yeah, that thing's squeaking and everything else.
I can't wait to see it at nighttime.
Turn it up.